In this quick video, we'll learn how you can easily change the aspect ratio of any video using CapCut for PC. If you have a widescreen video in your timeline and you want to edit that video for TikTok or Instagram Reels, then you can easily change the aspect ratio to a 9:16 or similar. As you can see, I have a cool little video on my CapCut timeline of a boat, and this video has an aspect ratio of 16:9. So 16:9 is a widescreen aspect ratio, and it's great for long-form YouTube videos, TV, and similar. But if you are editing your videos for TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and similar, then you will have a 9:16 format. In order to change the aspect ratio, you will see three little buttons at the bottom right corner of your video player in CapCut. The first button is the zoom in or out button. The third button is the full screen button. But the middle button is the aspect ratio button, and we can click on this button if we need to change the aspect ratio for our videos. We will see a couple of different aspect ratios from which we can choose from, like this 4:3, the 2:35:1, which is the cinematic standard. But we want to find the 9:16 ratio, and you will see that this is the format for TikTok or YouTube Shorts. The video will have a vertical format, and you can now edit it. If you need a custom aspect ratio, you can select the Custom button and then enter the custom resolution which you need for your video. And that's about it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you soon.